Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Hyper-V VMs using Veeam on Windows VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Hyper-V VMs using Veeam on a Windows VPS, start by ensuring that Veeam Backup and Replication is installed on your server. Open the Veeam Backup and Replication console. In the console, click on Backup Job in the toolbar. Select Virtual Machine from the drop-down menu to create a new backup job. Provide a name for your backup job in the designated field. Now click on Add to select the Hyper-V VMs you want to backup. In the window that appears, choose your Hyper-V server from the list. Expand your Hyper-V server to view the virtual machines. Select the VMs you wish to include in the backup job. Click OK to confirm your selections. Next, specify the backup repository where you want to store the backup files. Click on Browse to select an existing repository or create a new one. Under the Storage section, configure the backup settings according to your preferences. You can choose between creating a full backup, incremental backups, or both. Set the schedule for your backup job. Click on the Schedule tab to determine how often your backups should run. Enable the schedule and select the frequency and time for the backups. Now, navigate to the Notifications tab if you wish to receive alerts about the backup job status. Fill in the recipients to receive email notifications. Once all settings are configured, review your selections in the Summary page. If everything looks good, click Finish to create the backup job. Your backup job is now set up and will run according to the schedule you defined. You can monitor the job execution and status in the Jobs section of the console. If you need to run the backup job immediately, right-click on it and select Start. After the backup completes, verify the job result. For additional backups or settings, repeat the process as needed. You are now successfully backing up Hyper-V VMs using Veeam on your Windows VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.